Introducing the 2024 Skoda Karoq AMB 2.0 TDI, a powerful and stylish choice for your next adventure. This 115 horsepower 5-door beauty, in sleek black, is sure to turn heads wherever you go. With a 2-litre diesel engine and manual transmission, you'll experience a smooth and efficient ride every time. Loaded with comfort and accessories, features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, and MediaMP3 Player, you'll never want to leave the driver's seat. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, keeping you protected on the road. And with stylish exterior features like roof rails and a spoiler, you'll look good while doing it. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information on how you can make this 2024 Skoda Karoq yours. Get ready to elevate your driving experience to the next level.